This summer my grandsons are coming to live with me. They have a Ninja Warrior setup that connects between two trees. Unfortunately, in our backyard we have a bunch of trees, but they're all too close together. They needed to be thinned out, and we had some other trees that needed to be strengthened, so we had Franklin Tree Service come and take care of that for us today. And what you're going to see from here on is video of the tree company and their tools and what they did to chop down our trees and make space so that we can put up the Ninja Warrior training set. The first thing that got taken down was a small tree. Tree's been dead for a while, and woodpeckers have been using it to make nests in. But this spring, we had no woodpeckers, so it was time for it to come down. Next, it was time for the really big tree, the main tree we wanted to get rid of, to come down. Next, they brought in this cool cherry picker. The guy closer to the table is using a remote control to drive it in on little tracks like you'd see on your tank. And that white bucket, he'll climb in that, and it'll raise him up into the air. See how he's up in the air? And from there, he's going to start at the top of the tree, taking off branches that are leaning into our neighbor's yard. He'll then keep working his way backward to the main part of the tree and then come down to the ground and cut the tree down. Here they are feeding branches into the chipper. It just sucks all those branches in and spits out little pieces of wood into a trailer, and that machine would carry it back there. This machine is called a stump grinder, and they use this to grind out the stumps where the tree had been. You can see they've cleaned up everything, and all that's left to do is get rid of the stump of the tree that's sticking out of the ground. This machine also used a uh, remote control to operate it, so nobody's actually on the machine or driving the machine there. There's a guy standing off to the side who's got a remote control in his hands, and that's what he's using to make it go forward and backwards, up and down, and left and right. Please hit like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notifications whenever new videos come out. Leave me a comment. I hope you enjoyed this video.